Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to create a Windows installation USB that can dual boot both legacy BIOS and UEFI using Rufus. You can do this with any version of Windows, but here I will demonstrate with Windows 11. I will visit the official Microsoft website to download the latest Windows 11.25 H2v2 ISO file. I will choose to download the ISO file. Select the English, US, language to match the keyboard layout. Then just click Download. Next, we need to access the Rufus download page to download the software. Click on the blue text to download. I will wait for the file to finish downloading. And that's it. The download is complete. This is the latest Windows ISO file at the moment. Now, let's open Rufus. In the Disk or ISO Image selection section, click the Select button on the right. Select your Windows ISO file. Now I will plug in my USB drive. So the software has successfully detected my USB drive. Now, to enable dual boot for both legacy BIOS and UEFI, press the key combination Alt and E. You will see the dual mode enabled notification. I will change the file system type to NTFS so that it can accommodate files larger than 4 GB. You can choose the features you want when creating the USB, then click OK. Please make sure to back up all data on your USB, as this process will completely wipe it clean. And just like that, the process of creating my USB is complete. Now you can close Rufus. I will open Disk Management to check the partitions of the USB drive. As you can see, there are 2 partitions on Disk 5, which is my USB drive. The large partition is where the ISO files are stored after being mounted. A small partition here is very important. This is the partition that allows the system to boot into UEFI mode. Now I will restart the computer and boot into the USB drive. I will test booting into legacy mode first. As you can see, I have successfully booted into the Windows installer using legacy mode. I will exit the installation process and restart the computer to boot into UEFI mode. I have successfully succeeded. So from now on, you can use a single USB drive to boot into both UEFI and legacy modes with ease. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to get more exciting videos about Windows. Have a great day.